Content creators, sometimes called influencers, create much of the media users consume online. These professionals create media for their audience by using their creative and analytical skills. Understanding what qualifies as success in the digital world for content creation can help determine if this is your career path. In this video, we discuss what makes a content creator successful and share 9 steps you can take to become one. What makes a content creator successful? Producing content that captivates an audience with relevant and useful entertainment can make a creator successful. Successful content creators are typically familiar with several media channels and understand how to use them to create engaging content. Content creators often possess qualities like understanding the purpose of their content, recognizing good content from other creators, and measuring their content engagement. Content creators can learn from other influencers who are doing well and then apply those elements to their own work to find more success. How to be a successful content creator? Here are 9 steps you can take to become a successful content creator. 1. Choose your industry. Digital marketing is becoming widespread globally, which means there are several industries you can choose from to create content for based on your interests. Researching different industries can help you identify what established content creators publish and if you can add new content in that market. By conducting research, you can get a basic idea of the potential audience, topics, and content ideas for your desired industry so that you understand what to expect if you work in a certain area. Here are some industries in which you might consider creating content: retail, hospitality, healthcare, government, media and entertainment. 2. Establish your voice and style. Differentiating yourself from other content creators and engaging your audience can help you establish your voice and style. An audience primarily returns to creators for their personality, meaning they enjoy how you deliver information to them. Here are some ways to establish your voice as a content creator. Read frequently. Read your work aloud. Consider your word choices. If you're partnering with another brand, try to find ways to intertwine your voice and style with their guidelines. For example, if you're promoting a food delivery company, you might share the points they want you to make throughout your content while explaining how the company's services fit into your personal life. By doing this, you can stay within the guidelines of what the company wants and share the type of content that your audience expects from you. 3. Practice every day. Practice writing every day to help you refine your skills. Improving your writing skills can increase your confidence in your creative abilities and motivate you to keep creating content. When practicing, you can journal, free write, or create drafts for upcoming posts. While writing, you might even think of a potential project or post idea to use. Consider doing this activity for at least 10 to 20 minutes daily to help you improve your writing skills. 4. Analyze your target audience. You can analyze your target audience to determine factors like what they enjoy, how old they are, their economic status, where they're from, and what general education level they possess. Getting to know your target audience can help you create better curated content for them to consume. You may do this by studying your analytics to discover what content is most popular with your audience. Additionally, if you understand any specific challenges your audience faces, you can use that information to create valuable content for them as a solution. For instance, if you run a gardening blog and know that your readers struggle with their plants dying in the winter, you might create a blog post sharing tips for keeping plants alive during the cold seasons. 5. Provide value for your audience. When you're creating content, try to add value to your work. This means providing your audience with relevant and meaningful content that's useful to them. Adding value to your work can include covering breaking news, if it applies to your industry, encouraging audience participation by asking questions or making a poll, incorporating different mediums of content within a piece, such as embedding a video in a blog post, telling your audience a story, if it applies to the message of your content, linking to external sources for your audience to learn more about a subject. 6. Network. Becoming a successful content creator often requires networking with other professionals in your field, so look for opportunities to learn from others and hear their success stories. You can do this by attending events in your industry, contacting others on social media platforms to introduce yourself, or using professional social networking platforms. Consider following leaders and creators who inspire and motivate you to improve your craft. 7. Study other creators. Make a list of content creators you admire, in or outside of your industry, and study them. Identify what attracts you to their content or what their audience seems to engage most when posting. You may also observe how they handle challenges or cover more sensitive topics while remaining objective and informative. 8. Post often. Posting often allows you to keep your platform content current for your audience. You can make a daily, weekly, or monthly posting schedule for when you want to publish content. A schedule can provide your audience with an idea of when they can expect new content from you. Additionally, posting frequently might help you maintain your audience while potentially capturing the attention of new viewers. 9. Stay updated with current trends. Staying updated with trends in your industry and on the internet can help you remain relevant. Observe what others do with their content and how their overall content develops with general online trends, such as memes or dance challenge videos. Ongoing education is often essential to creating well-informed content that an audience wants to see. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel.